Hello again, it's me Jeanette, and today I'm trying out the remote control Crocodile RC toy. You'll need, this doesn't come with batteries, so you'll need 6 AA batteries. Now this looks, the thing itself looks more like an alligator than a crocodile, but it's pretty cool. So let's go over here, you can hear it. So you turn it on, and there's a button on the side you need to push to get it to start. So cool. Okay. Let's see if I push forward, he'll start walking. Okay, he's one of those. He does not work very good at walking. He just sits there, like back and forth. So there's a forward and a backward button, but he doesn't really go anywhere. I mean, he does, but very slowly. He's a very slow guy. Super cool, but very slow. Oh, no. Okay, try pushing the button again on the side. Yeah, it's pretty much the same. He's really slow, but he's cool. Here he comes. So I got this from Amazon. He sure roars a lot though. It's super cool. So if you liked this video, give me a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, please subscribe for more, and I'll see you next time.